Hey everybody, welcome back to Baysinger's Disc Golf Channel. Josh here, and this is another episode of throwing every disc possible. Today I have the number 4 driver, also known as the D-4 from Lightning Discs. We're going to give these a toss and show you how they fly. Some old school discs here. The flight numbers on the number 4 driver are 7, 4, -1, 2. According to Infinite Discs. Let's see how they fly. Let's go with this one first. All right. We'll throw this one a little bit of hyzer. The hyzer really evened it up and it flew pretty much dead straight. Honestly surprised by that. Thanks for watching. That's it for this episode. Please consider clicking subscribe for more videos just like this. And please consider leaving a comment below.